Another long day, nothing ever changes. Everyone moves forward except me. But maybe tonight can be different.
Where do you think you're going, skinny guy?
I'm just heading somewhere.
Yeah? Doesn't look like anywhere important.
Look at those arms. Wind could break you.
Please, just let me pass.
Then walk faster. You call that a body?
I didn't ask for trouble.
Trouble found you.
Why does this always happen? I'm tired of feeling weak. That ends tonight.
A gym. Maybe I don't belong in there. But I have to start somewhere. This place is bigger than I thought. Everyone looks so strong. One day I will too.
Him here too? Well. Look who followed me.
I came for myself.
Those weights are perfect for you. Everyone starts somewhere.
Yeah, at the bottom.
Ignore him. He talks too much. Why are you helping me?
Because someone helped me once. First rule, start simple and stay consistent. Even someone like me can change. Anyone can change.
These are light. Why do they feel heavy?
Because you're building from zero.
Then I'll keep building.
Careful, don't break a sweat. I'm busy. That's cute.
My arms feel like fire. That means they're waking up. Good, let them wake up.
Strength matters, but stamina matters too.
I've never used one of these.
Then today is your first time.
Feels strange? Keep moving. That's all you need. Keep moving. Got it.
Try to keep up, rookie. I'm not racing you. You already lost.
I thought I'd quit in 1 minute.
But you didn't.
No, I didn't.
You're new, I can tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Beginners still listen. Back straight, heels grounded.
Like this?
Better. Now do it again.
Down, up, keep going. My legs are burning already.
Good. Burn means growth. That's 10 clean reps. Nice work.
Really? It felt terrible.
Terrible today becomes easy later. Look at him training like a baby deer. He might snap in half. Let him talk.
Ignore the noise. Focus on the work. That's how I change.
I survived day 1. More than survived. Tomorrow, I come back.
No fancy meals, just basics. That's enough for now. I'll make it work.
Train right. Eat right. Simple things matter most. I can do simple things daily. No one sees this part. The lonely part. But this part matters most. Everything hurts. That means I started. Tomorrow begins again.
Too early. My whole body hurts.
Good. Get up anyway. No excuses today. Show up first. Everything else comes after. Yesterday, I trained. Today, I fuel up. Small habits build strength. Move forward. One step, then another. That's how change happens.
You came back?
I said I would.
We'll see how long that lasts.
There he is. Day 2. I almost stayed in bed. But you didn't.
Follow this plan exactly.
Yes, coach.
Consistency beats motivation.
1, 2, 3. Why is this so hard? Keep going. That all you got? Count louder. Oh, attitude now?
That felt impossible. Yet you finished it. Maybe I'm stronger than I thought.
Pull with your back, not your ego.
Like this?
Better. Feel the difference.
Slow and clean. No shortcuts today. Earn every rep.
30 seconds left. Feels like 30 years. Keep jumping. Missed again. Reset. Try again. I learn fast now. This is real strength. Strength isn't always loud. Keep telling yourself that.
I'm exhausted. But I'm not quitting. That's new.
Legs drive first, then pull.
Legs first, then arms.
Now you're listening.
Push, pull, breathe. Again. Again.
You earned this today. For me? You're part of the team now.
Wait, is that progress? It's small, but it's real. Then I keep going. I walk different now.
Maybe I'm changing already. Keep proving it. Food is fuel now. No more random choices. Everything counts.
This used to feel boring. Now it feels like progress. Funny how that works.
Push-ups improved. Energy better today. Tomorrow, even better.
Gym work isn't enough. Do more when no one watches. That's the difference.
Tired. Good tired. Worth it.
Hold on. That wasn't there before.
It's working.
You look different.
I feel different.
We'll see.
Look at day 1, then look now. That's really me? And you're just getting started.
I remember the first day. Scared, weak, lost, not anymore. Those are heavier than usual.
Exactly why you're lifting them today.
Then today I level up.
Come on, move. Just 1 more inch. I'm stronger now.
He shouldn't be lifting that already. How is he improving so fast? This is getting annoying. That was clean! I actually did it. Told you you're changing.
This pace used to scare me. Now it feels possible. Keep pushing.
You copying me now? No, I'm chasing me. Whatever helps you sleep.
Sprint now! Going! That's effort.
I can't feel my legs. That means it worked. Then it really worked. Training builds muscle. Food feeds it. So I need both. Exactly. No shortcuts. Old me bought comfort food. New me buys progress. Choose better daily.
No gym audience here. Just me and the work. That's enough.
Wait, that's higher. Healthy weight. Real progress. I'm building.
This shirt used to hang loose. Now it fits different. So do I. What happened to you? Work happened.
Feet rooted, chest up.
Got it.
Now own the weight.
Down, steady, up. Feels heavy. Lift anyway.
He's getting attention now. From everyone. I hate that. Stand taller, there it is. I still feel awkward posing. Get used to success. I almost quit on day 1. Glad I didn't. I'm only halfway there.
Same street. Different man. Let's see what changed.
Ethan,
Yeah, me.
You look different. So the weak guy bought muscles? No, I earned discipline. Still talking big.
I'm not here to fight you. I'm here to face you. There's a difference. Then prove it inside, if that's what you need. Right now. What happened here? Nothing I can't handle. Then I'm with you.
This is not revenge.
I know.
Then win with control.
Steady heart. Clear mind. Ready body.
Watch how real strength looks. Oh, that's heavy. Exactly. Last chance to walk away. I already walked here. Let's begin. First to the target distance wins. Make it quick. Ren, go! Go! Too easy! Steady pace. Why is this harder? He started too fast. Shut up! Breathe. Pull. Repeat. Perfect rhythm, Ethan. Stay locked in. Winner, Ethan Reed! Yeah! I did it. You beat me.
I beat who I used to be.
You won the right way.
Thank you, coach.
Now keep growing.
Smile, champion! Champion of rowing, maybe. Champion of change. I had strength, but no discipline. That's why I lost.
I came here broken. I leave stronger, and I'm not finished. No pain of regret today, only the pain of growth. Good morning. I used to avoid mirrors. Now I face them. Every day. Win the morning first. Then the rest follows. Routine is power.
This road feels shorter now. Maybe because I'm stronger. Keep moving.
Look who walks in like he owns the place. Not owns it, earned it. Even better.
Beginner phase is over.
So this is level 2?
Earn level 3 first.
Drive through the floor. Stand tall. Yes!
He's stronger than before. Much stronger. Maybe I judged him wrong.
That felt heavy, and I handled it. More to come.
Easy rep. Give me 2 more. 1 more. That's it.
This used to feel impossible. Now it feels natural. Keep improving.
Stronger body, clearer mind, worth every step.
This is normal now. Healthy choices daily. That's real change. Future me needs this. Preparation saves discipline. So I prepare.
Up. Come on. I did 1. I actually did 1.
2 reps, clean form.
Going for 3.
That's the mindset.
Easy. I've got it. You help me? We're done proving things. I was wrong about you. You were wrong about yourself too. Maybe.
I wanted muscles. I found discipline. That's better.
Another day completed. Not perfect, completed. That's enough. This street used to shrink me. Now it's just a street. I changed.
Ethan, wait. What is it? I need to say something.
I treated you badly. I was insecure and cruel. I know.
Learn from it.
I will.
Then we're good.
Home. Long day. Good day.
This place changed too. Or maybe I did. Probably both. I used to hate this reflection. Now I respect it. Earned respect. Goal 1 was survive. Goal 2 was grow. What's goal 3? No finish line yet. Just another morning. Let's work. This used to be hard. Now it feels free. Keep going.
You're getting fast now. Trying not to lose to you. Good luck with that.
Remember your first gym day? I wanted to run away. Glad you ran here instead. Healthy is normal now. Not punishment. Lifestyle. Tomorrow is easier. When today is organized. Plan ahead.
You've become consistent
Because you pushed me.
because you listened.
I don't think I belong here.
I said that once too. Start anyway. Your form got cleaner than mine.
Finally noticed?
Yeah.
If someone told me this months ago, I wouldn't believe it either. People can change.
1 more rep. Then another. No limits today.
I know this man now. He keeps promises, especially to himself. Not every win is loud. Some wins are quiet and daily. I remember writing this. I was scared then, but I started. Become stronger. I thought it meant muscles. It meant character. New goal. Give back what I received. Help others rise.
The city didn't change. My eyes did. Everything looks brighter now.
Prepare tonight. Win tomorrow. Simple rule.
Tired again, but never empty. Good night.
New day. New strength. New beginning.